Let's dive in and see how you can use 3 different types of e-commerce videos to achieve your immediate and big picture dreams. First, how-to videos show off your product's value and USPs. These kinds of videos go above and beyond to showcase your product's full potential. Rather than just listing features and specs, these tutorials demonstrate how your product can be used step by step. Second, shoppable videos provide personalized, frictionless shopping. Mihaela, product manager here at Videowise, puts it best by highlighting that shoppable videos simplify the buying process, but also reduce the chances of shoppers getting distracted or losing interest before completing the purchase. Third, UGC videos allow you to make an impression without breaking the bank. With these kinds of videos, your customers do all the heavy lifting, from content creation to social media sharing. By reaching out to happy customers, you can get authentic videos that showcase your product in a positive light with little to no investment. Not only do UGC videos save you money, but they also build better trust amongst customers and nurture a community that can lead to more interactions and conversions. To kick things up a notch, make your videos more interactive. Partner with an e-commerce video platform like Videowise to add embeddable links to your videos, such as calls to action, shoppable product links, and other elements to increase user engagement. Book a demo call with an expert on our team to learn how Videowise can help you scale and peak your e-commerce performance.